Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. But today's video is related to all about my hair care, how I take care of my hairs. Well, let me tell you guys, first of all, I love my hair. The texture, the volume, the growth is so good. Since childhood my mom have been taking care of my hairs, and due to which till date my hairs have been so amazing, beautiful, and I try to maintain the same growth, texture and the volume by taking some extra steps to take care of my hair. Now let me tell you guys that taking care of your hair is so important, so make sure you don't skip this part. Oil your hair and try out the secret remedy which I've been doing from so long, and it has worked so well on my hair. Now before moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. So yeah, let's just get started, and let me tell you guys what are all the home remedies you need to make this paste. And let me tell you guys, it works so perfect, so try it out. So these are the items which you guys need, and these are all easily available in your kitchen. So the first thing you need is besan. Second thing you need is a yogurt, which is dahi. Third thing you need is a lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon juice. And the last thing you need is olive oil. You can also take an almond oil, coconut oil, whichever you prefer. Now I would be taking 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan. Now this totally depends upon your hair length. So if you have a short hair, you can use 2 spoons. If you have long, you can take 5 to 6. I have a medium long hair, so that's why I'm taking 4 to 5 spoons. Now I would be adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt in it. Okay, and the quantity totally depends upon your hair length. And then I would be adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I would be adding like 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now if you don't have olive oil and you don't like to use olive oil, you can definitely use almond oil or coconut oil or whichever oil you prefer. Now mix it well, make it a paste. Our mask is ready. And now let's just get started and apply this mask on our hair. You can use your hands, you can use brush, whatever you prefer. I prefer applying the mask using my hands because with your fingers you are able to reach on each and every corner of your head. So that's why I always prefer applying the mask with my fingers. And now step by step, just apply it on your hairs. You can partition your hairs one by one, or you can take a help of your mother, your friend, and then apply this mask. Now make sure that you don't skip any area from your hair. You need to make sure that you're also applying this mask on your hair ends. And yeah, that's what I do. I just like slowly take out the partitions, apply it very gently, and I make sure that I don't miss out any area. This mask contains so many amazing benefits for your hair. It contains yogurt, it contains lemon juice, which helps in preventing the dandruff, yogurt which helps in nourishing your hairs and give you that shiny smooth hairs. Then we have besan, which also helps in your hair growth. The oil also helps you in the hair growth. So there are so many amazing benefits of applying this mask on your head. Now you can apply this mask once in a week or twice in a week, whatever you prefer, but I usually do is once in a week. And then I would be waiting for about like 20 to 30 minutes, and then I will shampoo my hair. And then if you want to use the conditioner, you can use it, but I don't like using a conditioner. I have a natural smooth hair, so that's why I always skip conditioners. Now see, this is the final results. Do you see that shiny, smooth, voluminous hair? So this is the secret which I've been applying and doing on my hair from so long. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you really liked this video and it was helpful to you. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends. I'll see you soon guys with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.